All right, so this is the Mishloach Manot that's gonna absolutely kill my husband because I am like doing the chocolate peanut butter lovers dream Mishloach Manot. Have you seen those like jar experiments where they fill it with water and then they try to put the rocks and the pebbles and all the different things in, and you actually have to do it the other way around, which you have to put the big things in first and then fill it with water? So we're doing that, but with like peanut butter and chocolate. So I've got my little Skippy single servings, though that is a big single serving, going into my jar. I've got little single servings of Nutella, which that seems about the right size of a single serving. And onto that, I'm gonna put some peanut butter chocolate Oreos. If my husband doesn't come out from the other side of the camera in a second, it'd be a shock. So those are going in. We're gonna add some, what should we do next? Ooh, some mini chocolate peanut butter cups. Oh my gosh. Okay, next we'll put some milk chocolate on top, some peanut butter M&Ms, and then to top it all off, peanut butter chips. Shake, some of them will come down. But right now, my husband couldn't care less what's on top, what's on bottom. Let's put some more Oreos on top. They may get crushed, but that's okay. And a little bit of chocolate, and we're gonna close it. And it's just a jar of peanut butter and chocolate love. All right. And last but not least, because we put in those little pots of peanut butter and Nutella, we're gonna add a spoon and a knife to the jar. And how awesome is this particular Mishloach Manot? Check it out. Everything you could love. There's peanut butter, there's Nutella, there are peanut butter Oreos, there are peanut butter cups, there's milk chocolate, there's peanut butter M&Ms, and there's peanut butter chips. And just in case you don't want to use your fingers to scoop out the peanut butter and Nutella, there's a fork. No fork, spoon and a knife. Amazing Mishloach Manot. This may be the one I keep, or this is the one I give my husband. I'm not sure yet. All right, see you soon. All right, we're making Rocky Road. Now, is Rocky Road Jewish? I think everyone's had a Rocky Road, but I couldn't have it as a kid because marshmallows weren't kosher aside from Pesach, and you wouldn't have wasted a marshmallow on a Rocky Road. You have just eaten them straight. But now that you can have marshmallows all year long, Rocky Road is this awesome, like no effort type of treat, and you can make it your own. So what I have here is 600 grams, that's 6 chocolate bars of bittersweet chocolate melted. To that I'm adding 1 1/2 tablespoons of oil, and just give it a good mix. And I just melted it in the microwave. You could do it in a pot, like in a bain-marie, over simmering water, or in the microwave, whatever works for you. If you're doing it in the microwave, just be like a little bit cautious, like every 20 seconds. Make sure to give it a mix and make sure that whatever you're melting it in is completely dry, like no water. Okay, I've removed 1/2 cup of the chocolate mix, and I've got my marshmallows here, and I'm doing a peanut lovers Rocky Road. So into my marshmallows are going dry roasted peanuts, peanut butter chips, and chocolate Oreos with peanut butter filling. You can obviously do whatever flavor works for you. Pretzels would be good here. Ooh. Okay, next time. All right, my mix is there, and this is how easy a Rocky Road is. And we're done. That is it. How glorious is that? Melted chocolate everywhere. I ate a peanut. And I'm not swallowing it properly. I had to make sure the peanuts were good. Okay, it's all in there, and give it a mix. Oh my goodness, yay! I mean, there's marshmallows and chocolate going absolutely everywhere. But seriously, what could be better than this? Seriously, like, look at that. Ah! All right. All of that mix goes into my 9 by 13 prepared tin. Oh my gosh. I literally can't breathe because I can't wait for this to set. Do I have to wait for it to set? I don't know. Ooh, and the husband just handed me a spatula. Thank you. Because obviously I was just going to do this with my hands. And the impatience in me just wants to lick this bowl clean. Check that out. Check out that bowl. And like, I feel bad because some of the chocolate may not make it into the rocky road. But heck, you know, we'll figure it out. All right. Press it all down. And I'm going to like stop obsessing about how much I want to eat this right now. Into my prepared tin, which I've lined with some baking paper. And then the reserved chocolate comes into play because I want to give it a nice chocolate coating because obviously there isn't enough chocolate here. But that is one good rocky road. Like, look at that. If any road was rocky, that would be it. Let's add the chocolate we reserved right on top. And that will give it a little more like, I guess, control? No, control is the wrong word. Structure. Structure is the word we're looking for. Yes, found the word. All right, that's all in. And my last step in this rocky road is a sprinkle of sea salt right on top. Oh my God. Okay, now all you have to do is like wait for this to set. And once it's set, you can cut it into bars and your friends will love you. Oh my gosh. All right, see you soon.